Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mel, and if you haven't seen any of my videos, this will be the fourth video, and this video will be all about drugstore makeup. I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24 Hours foundation, the new one, that's just like this, and the shade I will be using, the shade 120. So let's start the video. I will start by priming my face using the e.l.f. PORELESS Face Primer. It isn't available at the drugstore actually, but it is available in Canada in all the Old Navy's, and if I'm not mistaken also at Walmart, so it is kind of a drugstore product. So now that my face is primed, I will be taking my sponge from Real Technique that are available at the drugstore at Walmart, also on their website. So I'm gonna start with one pump, and the shade that I'm using in this Maybelline SUPERSTAY 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation is the shade 120. So it is, as you can see, very full coverage. Okay, so now that the foundation is applied, I will go in using my Maybelline Age Rewind in color Neutralizer. So now that the concealer is blended, I will go in with the NYX Mineral Set It and Don't Fret It Matte Finish Powder in color Light Medium. This. Taking my Maybelline, just dabbing a little on my eye like this. And I'm gonna go with it. And I'm gonna go in with this brush that I bought at Walmart. It's from Still Spa Essential, and it's the number 006, so it's just a blending brush. And it feels so. I'm gonna go in using this e.l.f. Nude Rose Gold palette that I bought on their website, but it is available at Walmart. It's about $10. So I just opened my nail inside. As you can see, it just cracked there, but it's all pink tones. It looks a little bit like the Naked palette that I've used last week, but it's a little different. So I'm just gonna go in with this color right here all over the lid like this. Now I'm gonna go in with this little purpley mauve color. Now I will go in with this color, which is kind of a purple, and I'm just gonna concentrate this a little more on the outer portion of my eye, just right here, just to create a bit of dimension. Now I will go in using this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in color Strawberry Milk number 605, and I'm just gonna cover half of the lid, and then we're gonna add a little bit more of a pink color, also from NYX, called Girl Talk PS04, like this. And I'm gonna go in with the NYX color, number Girl Talk, and just gonna go in with my finger, and I'm gonna dab it on top of where it just passed with the pencil. I will go in with the same brush I went before with the purple, and just going next to the pink I just passed, just to make sure everything is blended. So now we'll go in with this Physician Formula Light Bronzer, Arganwear, number 7D03. Using this Ecotools brush that is also just gonna go a little bit on the side of my nose like this, like I showed you in another video. Just a little here, a little here. I'm just gonna pass slowly with my finger to blend everything. Going in again with Physician Formula with the Butter Blush like this, in color Natural Glow 7B02. Now we'll go in again with Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold number 100. I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. brush. It's called the Highlight Brush from e.l.f. Annabelle Nude lip pencil, available at Walmart and also at any other drugstore. Blending a little bit. And using this Essie Lipgloss in color 19 NUDECANDY. There you have my look. Everything was purchased at the drugstore. The only thing that wasn't purchased at the drugstore was my setting spray and my eyebrow product. The rest was all from the drugstore, or I bought online, but they are available at the drugstore. Everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram or on Twitter. Don't forget to